You remember, and I went to all those games, I guess, back in 2008 when we won the state championship. He was our quarterback, and he was all-state, all-district, all the honors that they could get. Just about went to Tyrick Rollison and a number of members of that outstanding team back in 2008. State championship, all of that. But today, tonight over at Texas A&M Commerce, he's going to start his senior year in college as quarterback for the Texas A&M Commerce team, and so it's pretty exciting. So we've been asked and wanted to do kind of a Tyrick Rollison Day today, and so I've prepared a proclamation, and we're going to name today Tyrick Rollison Day. I hope he has a great season. I understand there's a lot of NFL scouts that'll be at the game and are going to be watching him this season. He was great in high school, and apparently he's still having a great football career. And so special day today, and so we're just honoring him, his family, and all his accomplishments over these years.
Now, you'll actually have the chance to go out on the field and make a presentation sometime during the game? Is that the way?
Actually, before the game, they told me 6:41. I will walk out on the field and be through by 6:44. And so I'll go out on the field. I've never done this before, but I do so many new things these days as county judge that I never did before. And I'll go out on the field and read the proclamation with him there and his family, and he'll be greatly honored today as he starts his senior year.
You're going to give us a preview, or?
Well, it's nothing real fancy, I guess, but first of all, we're going to recognize his mom and dad, Brenda Rollison and Michael Kelly of Sulphur Springs, his 3 sisters and 2 brothers, and then acknowledge that he's a graduate of Sulphur Springs High School, and acknowledge also big time that he was all-state and that we won the state championship, which had never happened and hadn't happened since, to win state championship for the state of Texas. And also that he has helped the Boys and Girls Club of Hopkins County, that he's a member of East Caney Baptist Church, those kind of things that are meaningful, and that he wants to play professional football and may well be able to do it. We hope so. And if eventually he'll probably become a coach and teach sports to kids. So he's got his life lining up pretty well, and so we just want to honor him today here in Hopkins County for just the accomplishments he's brought, and the fame that he's brought to Hopkins County by being from Sulphur Springs.
You're a Sulphur Springs grad yourself?
Oh yes, I am.
That was a special moment for you.
Yes, and at our days, our football teams were pretty good, but I believe they were 1-9 my senior year, so we don't talk a whole lot about the success of our football teams back then, but in the past number of years we've had a lot of success, and a lot of it's good coaching, great athletes, just a great city and county that's gotten behind all of this, their programs. So anyway, let's don't go back to 1970. We'll stay up here in 2008 and henceforth from there. So anyway, yes, it's going to be a great evening, and I'm going to stay for the football game, so I'm excited to see him play again.